Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Giovanni Pradipta Nurbelen and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika. My study program is Informatics. And the rest about me you can see in the slide. So today I want to do some English project, and this is special because it's midterm exam. So I want to do some explanation about two topics. Yes, there's two topics. The first one is about software and operating system, and the second one is about hardware. Okay, so let's go to the first topic. Software and operating system. What is software? Software is a collection of instructions or programs that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. It is the intangible part of a computer system, unlike hardware, which is the physical part. So the simple explanation about this software, it doesn't have a physical part because the software only inside the computer, so we can touch it. And for the function, of course, for make human activity more effective and efficient, to make job easier. For the function of software, the first one, operating the hardware, which means if you want to use mouse, keyboard, monitor or speaker, you have to do some configuration first with the software so the hardware can work properly. The second one, performing tasks, which means if you want to use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Publisher, to make a human activity is easier, so human no need to write on the paper again. Managing resource, which means is for storage like hard disk or solid state drive, so it's manage the storage. Number 4, enabling development. If you want to make application or something like that, you can use Python or Java to development the application. And the type of software, first, system software. Example is Microsoft Windows operating system, and this is the image of Microsoft Windows. Mac OS, Linux, this is the image of Linux. So what is system software exactly? So the system software is for basic software of computer. So if you want to run another activity for your computer, the first thing you have to do is installing the system software. Number 2, application software. For example is Microsoft Word. For word processing, this is the image. Google Chrome for us to do browsing, to search some interesting in internet. Zoom for video conferencing, editing video or photo application like photo apps, Adobe Photo apps, Photoshop, drawing application like CorelDRAW. So this is the example of application software. So it is the software that we use for our daily activity, like Google Chrome for searching something, maybe Microsoft Word for writing document, or Excel or PowerPoint, like right now I use. And number 3 is programming software. Example like Python programming language. This is the image of Python. Visual Studio Code, code editor, Java development platform, JavaScript for web design, C++ for development application. So the programming software is to build something like application or website or a program, something like that. What is operating system? Operating system, or we can call it OS, is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resource, and provides common service for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between user and the computer hardware. So this simple explanation about this operating system is a basic system in the computer. Before we install anything in our computer, first thing first, we have to install the operating system, because this is the basic. Without this one, we can running our computer. Key function of operating system. The first one for process management. Number 2, memory management, file system management, device management, and user interface. Process management, which means the operating system is processing your computer management or make your computer run smoothly. And memory management, which means it's like storage, so it's manage your memory, because if it doesn't work correctly, your computer will crash. And file system management is like management your file system so your computer is not crash. Device management, it's like how we can say it? It's like we use mouse and keyboard, so the operating system is for the bridge for our hardware component. And for user interface, it's like the home page, so we can use it without a problem. For the example of operating system, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. For Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, these three for the computer, and Android, iOS for mobile. Android for mobile, while iOS for Apple mobile. And for the Apple product is iOS and Mac OS. Alright, we're going to topic number 2. It's about hardware. So what is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer system, the components that you can touch and see. Hardware is essential for the computer to function and work together with software. the program or instruction. Back then, we explained about software, and now hardware. So hardware have physical parts, so we can see and touch. And the type of hardware is the first one, input hardware. Input hardware devices are used to enter data and command to the computer. So the input hardware is to input a data to our computer, while output hardware are used to display, project, or produce the result of computer processing. Input hardware device. There are a few of input hardware device. The first one is keyboard. The function for type text and command, so we can write some document using keyboard, and this is the image of keyboard. Number 2, mouse, to navigate and control the computer visually. So the function is like right now, this point I am moving with my mouse, and this is the image of mouse. And number 3 is scanners. It converts physical document into digital form. This is the image of scanner. And number 4 is microphone. Is to input voice or audio into the computer. It's for capture sound. That's the image of microphone. And number 5 is webcam, to input image or video for video calls or recording, for capture video. This is the image of webcam. And for the output hardware, the first one is monitor, to display image and information. So in monitor you can watching or play game with some beautiful view, and of course it's depend about the price of your monitor. And number 2 is printer, to create physical copies of digital files. So we writing the document in Microsoft Word, and then we print with printer, so we can touch the result in the paper. And that's the image of printer. And number 3 is speaker. It's for produce sound and music. Number 4 is headphones, provide personal audio. So the difference about headphone and speaker for listening together with your friend or family, while headphone is a private, so you hear by yourself. And the last is projector. It's project the screen onto a large surface. So with projector you can watch video or watch film or watch movie together with your friend. And that's the image of projector. And for the conclusion, hardware, software, and operating system are the 3 core components of a computer system that must work together to perform tasks efficiently. Hardware is the physical equipment of the computer, so hardware is the physics, have physics. Software is the set programs and instructions. So software, it doesn't have a physics, it's only set of program and instruction. An operating system, or OS, is a special type of software that acts as a bridge. So the OS is a bridge for software and hardware can work together properly. Together, they form a complete computing system. Alright guys, that's the video about hardware, software, and operating system. Thank you.